Hello and welcome to this video. Here I have a guard security padlock that I received in a recent package from Jim from Canada. You better know him from his YouTube channel, Locks of Anarchy. Yeah, he picked it on camera, and in contrast to the very secure exterior properties of this lock, the core is actually very cheap and it was easy to pick. So he did some modifications and sent it to me. So this was the letter that came with the lock. He says it's rebuilt, have fun with it. Yeah, that's what I want to have, fun. And let's try to pick it and gut it and see what's in the core now. So use tension from the pin side. Just the lightening a little bit. I will use his homemade pick that he also sent along. Very nice handicraft work. So very light tension, and I start in the back, and the keyway is so wide open that it's so nice and easy to feel the pins. Click, click. That was pin 5 and then 4, and once I picked 4 it turned on the core, and 3, 2, nothing, and 1, and it's open. Oops, sorry. So if you apply light tension on the core, if you apply light tension on the core, then it's an easy game to pick it open. Okay, now I want to see what's inside. Drill it through, because previously I think there was just a barbarian sitting there, and so now it's a 6-pin lock, which is good. And yeah, when you have a look at the pins, they all seem to be home modified. So from the key pins we have one with a deep and long groove, and also here we have a deep and long groove. And the drivers are, you have a double serrated and a single serrated, another serrated, and spool looking driver pin, and yeah, different kind of springs. Yeah, what a pity that it did not provide really great picking resistance. I'm not sure, maybe the lock is just so the tolerances are just so bad that you can't do much with better pins. I don't know. Maybe I find other pins that I can try out, or I will threaden the chambers in the plug. I don't know. So much for this lock for now. Thanks for watching, and Jim, thanks for sending this nice lock to me. Alright, bye bye, happy picking! I was just about considering which kind of modifications I would like to apply to this lock in order to make it more resistant against picking, when I discovered two major problems. So one problem is here with driver pin number 2. It has a very nicely rounded end, which means it goes more or less automatically at shear line when the shear line touches the surface of this rounded end on any point. So this makes picking actually very easy in this deck. So you should never have a pin with rounded ends towards the shear line. And the second problem is with the bitting. Here I have reassembled the core with the key pins, and yeah, if camera would focus. When you remove the key, you can see that in some chambers that there is not enough room left for the driver pins to work effectively. So you can see pin 1 is almost at shear line, so you have only a small edge here left for the driver pins to work. Pin 2, stack 2 is really almost at shear line. Okay, stack 3 is nice. You can add a spool here, maybe here as well, and that's the best stack. We can of course add a great spool here at the end, but those two, or maybe including stack number 4, are not very nice for the driver pins to be effective. Okay, I will see what I can do with the bitting, and yeah, I have some spare parts here from an American core. Hope you can see that. Some spools and some serrated pins. Yeah, I will see what I can do. Hold on. So here are my modifications. I slightly threadened the chambers in the plug. I was afraid to remove too much material and to make the tolerances even worse therewith, so only light threading. And for the pins, so actually only 3, 5 and 6 are effective with some specialities, and at 3 we have a serrated, at 5 we have also serrated with a sharp edge, and the stack with the for the longest driver pin has a spool in it with serrations on the end. So let me quickly put them in the stacks. Here we have the spool. I think this is okay. You can, I think, feel the spool when you pick it. And next one with the serration. I think this will also work. And then another serrated one. Jumps out again. Alright, I don't attach, or I don't add the other ones because they won't be stable there. Yeah, that's what I want to try. So let me reassemble the lock and pick it again. So it's repinned, reassembled and clamped in vise. I'll show you that the lock works with a key and is locked up. I just picked it before, but it was a very hard pick actually, and I hope it doesn't take so much time when I try to pick it again. So, very light tension. I start from the back. Okay, got a little turn on the core. First pins are springy. Now I'm on pin 3. It's stiff. Was pin 4. Got a counter rotation. Was pin 5. Counter rotation. Oh, maybe it was 6. I'm not sure. Start again with 1. I think it's stiff. Huh. 2 is stiff. 3 is stiff. 4 is stiff. Actually, I only feel 5 pins. So no feedback anymore. Okay, I will rake it. Maybe it helps some pins to find the shear line. Actually all pins feel stiff. So just lightening a little bit. Okay, I think I'm still in the game. Seems like that the serrations are pretty effective. And open. Oops, alright, so that was much quicker than the first time. Yeah, I hope I could improve the picking resistance a little bit. And yeah, as I had fun with this lock and it originally came from Jim, I think I will send it back to him that he has also some kind of fun again. Alright, thanks for watching. Happy picking. Bye bye.